Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. There are actually a few different ways that you can download GTA Vice City. However, the best way I would recommend to get hold of the game is to just come across to the Steam app or the web-based version and actually purchase it directly from Steam. Okay, so to do this, you're going to want to open up Steam, whether that is the app or the web-based version. Okay, and then once you're on Steam, you just come up to the search bar and look for GTA or Grand Theft Auto. Okay, and then all the options will actually appear down here. So what we're looking for is Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So we're just going to select the in-cart section here on the Grand Theft Auto. So it's going to take you to the page. Okay, and then if we have a look at this one, it's actually part of the trilogy, so the definitive edition. And with that actually includes 3 different items. So you're getting Grand Theft Auto 3, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, and Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, all a part of the definitive collection. Okay, so once you're happy with that, if you just select the in-cart button, okay, and then it's going to take you to this page, and we've got 2 different options. You can either buy that as purchase for myself or purchase as a gift if you're giving it to somebody. In this example though, I'm going to obviously purchase it for myself. Okay, then we're going to get to the payment method section. Here you can see in the drop down box, depending on your location in the world, it will give you the options of how to pay. We've got PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, GCash, eClub Points. Sometimes it might even say your Steam wallet, so you can use money that you've built up in your Steam wallet. So in this example though, I'm just going to be using PayPal. Okay, so just go through the normal steps as you would to log into PayPal and then actually purchase the game. Okay, and once everything has then been bought, if you go up to your library and go to home, this is where you're going to be able to find the game that you've just purchased, and it will be displayed on the left hand side. In this occasion, obviously I've not bought the game, but for this example I'll just click on a game that I have bought, and here you'll have the words install. So install the game onto your PC, and you can see the space required is 33.64 gigabytes. Once it's then been installed, it will then show as play, and then you're able to play the game. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That is how to download GTA Vice City. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.